Hello, this is Connor with part 6 of Meow Greens. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how to tell if your Meow Greens are ready to get out of germination. So right now what we have is our Meow Greens, and this is day 3. Today I feel like they should be in germination for one more day, just because there's only a few of these little sprouts. If you have them all at about that size, that is the ideal way to do it. But you can take them out of germination today. I just feel more comfortable with tomorrow, and I will show you what tomorrow looks like. It is day 4 now, and this is what the microgreens look like. I ended up leaving them in a little longer than I would have liked to have them in for, but they are really ready to start growing. See how long they've gotten over just one day? It's hard to believe how quickly they've grown. So I will tell you the pros and the cons of leaving your microgreens out. So the benefit is that your microgreens will grow a bit better, but the con would be that you are more likely to get mold. So maybe try doing a half a day of leaving it in if it is just not as big as you had hoped. But it is completely up to you what you do. I really hope this video has helped you learn a bit more about Meow Greens and how to grow them to the best potential.